Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make rice Rava Idli. Take 2.5 cups of idli rice or ponni boiled rice in a bowl. Wash it thoroughly and drain the water. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Then toss it gently and keep aside for another 20 minutes. Now coarse grind it in a blender. Rice Rava is ready. Now let us see how to make rice Rava Idli. Wash and soak 1 cup of Urad dal and 2.5 cups of rice Rava in water for 2 hours. Add 1 cup of water little by little and grind the soaked Urad dal. Transfer the batter into a container. Now squeeze the rice Rava and add into the batter. Add a little salt. Mix well and keep aside for 10 hours. Now mix well. The batter is ready. Boil some water in an idli cooker. Grease the idli molds with a little oil. Pour 1 ladle of batter in each mold and place it in the idli cooker. Place the lid and cook it over medium flame for 15 minutes. Now it is ready. Turn off the flame. Take out the idli molds from the cooker. Sprinkle a little water. Now dip a spoon in water and take out the idlis. Hot idli is ready to serve. Serve it with chutney of your choice. Please try it out and post your feedback.